All right, guys, so we have a lot of important information to cover in this video, a lot pertaining to Journey Together, but also just Pokemon in general and a lot of sellers and what's going on. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to have a special announcement, so stay tuned for that. But yes, Journey Together, it's not looking good. So this morning, I went on Facebook, I looked at a Facebook group, and someone was in there talking about how Hobbiesville, one of the largest third-party sellers of Pokemon, in Canada and probably in North America as well, is charging people around 38.8% extra for tariffs coming from the United States. So this won't affect you guys in the States. And I understand up here in Canada, if our government is putting a tax on this, sure, like I don't expect a company selling product to take a 25% hit, and they should be passing it on to the customer, right? It's not fair for anyone involved. And again, I'm not going to get political in this video, but the point being, I think a lot of these stores are getting quite comfortable with the market, right? So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with this individual. It does seem like they're paying a lot more than 25%, and maybe there's a reason for that I'm not seeing. But Journey Together in Canada is going to be very difficult. And if you guys go to eBay right now, the lowest listed box is $350 Canadian. And I imagine in the States, these boxes are going to be very expensive as well. It's yet to be seen what's going to happen with the Pokemon Center and their distribution, if people are going to get charged when orders are sent out. But I think as a whole, right, when we look at the entire market, this is going to move prices even higher than they already are across the board. And that's not just going to be on booster boxes, it's also going to be on your PCTBs, any product, right, sleeve boosters, etc. And the problem with this is we don't really know how long this is going to go on for, especially if these tariffs continue into Destined Rivals. I imagine we're going to see booster boxes of that set, right? Because we all know Journey Together. There are some really good cards in it. I'm a fan of some of these. For example, the Articuno, the Whale Lord. I like Meowth. The promo card with En's Reshiram is great too, right? Some of the SIRs, I guess, are cool as well. Like Enzorart could be interesting. Lily's Clefairy, Salamence. But I think most people already agree that Journey Together probably won't be as good as Destined Rivals. I think just based on the SIRs we've seen from Heatwave Arena, it really doesn't matter what's going to come in the Glory to Team Rocket, which I imagine we're going to get some good cards as well. That set's going to be better than this one. And if this set's already selling lowest listed right now, 350 Canadian, right, we're going to see Destined Rivals booster boxes, especially if tariffs are still in place. They're going to be over $400 Canadian, well over, maybe even $450. As ridiculous as that sounds, and that's going to move the price of those boxes up probably over $300 USD, right? So the market is just going to be very insane, and a lot of this just starts with Journey Together. And I do worry that depending on what happens, right, if people don't have a good opening experience, if the set's not accepted well and people really don't enjoy the cards, which again is a possibility, right? Like I don't think this is going to be even close to as good of a set as something like Surging Sparks or Prismatic Evolutions. We could have some serious issues coming in the hobby, right? And in terms of just where to get product at this point, it really does seem like your best options that you have to go to these big box retailers like your Walmart, like your Target. That's really your only opportunity to get good products like Prismatic Evolution, Surging Sparks, and 151 at MSRP or at a decent price, right? And sure, there are third-party sellers selling products like 151, but it seems like they're super marked up at this point. It's very difficult to find this product at a decent price. And speaking of 151, if you guys want to get some 151, maybe watch this announcement coming at you right now. Hey guys, so we're about to reach 5,000 subscribers, so I figured we're going to give away a 151 booster bundle. And before I tell you about how you can win, I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor and giveaway partner, PokeNotify. You guys already know PokeNotify is a Discord service offering you the fastest notifications for drops, restocks, and deals on Pokemon product. They cover all the main regions of the world: Canada, the US, Europe, Japan, and Australia. $7.99 a month. You can cancel at any time. 3-day free trial if you want to get in there and check it out. And if you guys want to be entered to win this 151 booster bundle, all you gotta do on this video is leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite Pokemon is, and we'll pick a winner after we reach 5,000 subscribers, which will probably be today or tomorrow, I imagine. And then we'll get in contact with you. So again, guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel, being here, even the haters, you guys leaving comments. And thank you to PokeNotify for helping give away this 151 booster bundle. One more thing I wanted to touch on with Journey Together and kind of just products in general right now. If you do go to Hobbiesville's website, they say up top here they're sending out emails about the tariffs, but any items currently in stock will not be affected by price hikes. So for Journey Together stuff, because it's all out, it's not super relevant. But when I think of other products right now, for example, when you go look at ETBs, they still have some Crown Zenith ETBs in stock. Paldean Fates, they have 25 in stock, right? When I think about these sets right now, I would imagine that it's probably better to just be buying these up right now before things get worse, right? And once these Canadian retailers sell out of stock, again, bringing stuff in from the States is going to be such a pain, and prices are going to be inflated. And once prices inflate here, obviously Canada is a smaller market, but that is going to have some impact on the North American market in general, what you guys in the States are going to be ending up paying, and then also just in other parts of the world, right? Like, I don't see how this doesn't make product more expensive, or at least keep it the same price. We're obviously not going to see any pullbacks in the near term future, right? So, short term, maybe even long term, depending on what happens. If you're thinking about buying something, right, it's probably best now to get it if it's already in stock on one of these sites, than waiting a few months. And again, like, who knows what's going to happen with S and Rivals, but Journey Together, I think it's just going to be an absolute mess. And I really hope people enjoy opening this set, because if they don't, it could be, a big issue for the hobby as a whole. So again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you for supporting the channel for such a long time being here. It's crazy that we're already at 5K. And yeah, journey together, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. I'll catch you in the next one.